Hello and welcome to next episode of our DfAM in Action series. My name is Özgür and I lead the design for additive manufacturing team at +90 3D Digital Factory. Additive manufacturing comes with countless advantages and our mission is to deliver these benefits to you. Today I'm going to talk about 3D textures. When you need a part with textures on it, this means extra cost and time. But additive manufacturing changes the game here. We can select any pattern you want and we can print them without any extra cost or time. Also, it brings many benefits. First is the cosmetics. Due to the nature of additive manufacturing, these 3D textures play a crucial role in hiding layer lines. Secondly, these textures can enhance the functionality of your products, such as providing a better grip to prevent slippage. Or, by increasing surface area, we can effortlessly improve efficiency in situations requiring heat transfer. So how do we achieve this? Our best tool in this purpose is Materialized Trimmatic program, because it's fast and specially designed for additive manufacturing. We use seamless patterns of superior quality and print them using our professional 3D printers. Thank you for watching our video. Please reach us for any additional information and unique design services. See you in the next episode.